She is washing dishes after meal. She is washing dishes after meal. He is drying plates with cloth. He is drying plates with cloth. She is putting leftovers in fridge. She is putting leftovers in fridge. He is cleaning the stove area. He is cleaning the stove area. She is arranging food on plate. She is arranging food on plate. He is eating lunch with family. He is eating lunch with family. She is making tea for guests. She is making tea for guests. He is offering food to guest. He is offering food to guest. She is smiling while cooking food. She is smiling while cooking food. He is finishing his dinner quickly. He is finishing his dinner quickly. She is enjoying sweet dessert. She is enjoying sweet dessert. He is asking for more food. He is asking for more food. She is counting fruits in basket. She is counting fruits in basket. He is placing food on shelf. He is placing food on shelf. She is cleaning the dining table. She is cleaning the dining table. He is wiping hands with towel. He is wiping hands with towel. She is pouring hot soup carefully. She is pouring hot soup carefully. He is sitting and eating dinner. He is sitting and eating dinner. She is sharing food with friend. She is sharing food with friend. He is enjoying his meal happily. He is enjoying his meal happily. She is cooking rice in pot. She is cooking rice in pot. He is stirring curry in pan. He is stirring curry in pan. He is cooking dinner for family. He is cooking dinner for family. She is setting the dining table. She is setting the dining table. He is cleaning the kitchen counter. He is cleaning the kitchen counter. She is putting food in fridge. She is putting food in fridge. He is carrying hot pan carefully. He is carrying hot pan carefully. She is checking the oven temperature. She is checking the oven temperature. He is making tea in kettle. He is making tea in kettle. She is pouring oil in pan. She is pouring oil in pan. He is cutting cheese into slices. He is cutting cheese into slices. She is mixing vegetables in bowl. She is mixing vegetables in bowl.